Hi, I am Dr. Aishwarya Gupta, a postgraduate medical doctor by qualification, a corporate leader by experience, and a life coach by passion. So basically what I think of life coaching is, it's coaching where a human life is concerned. It's coaching for a human life. So anybody who has any issues, any problems in terms of say managing their energies, managing their personal lives, managing their relationships, managing their time, managing or figuring out where they want to go. So that is the space where life coaching comes in. It is just not about any issues, but it is also about where I am and how can I up-level my game. Where can I go from here and how do I go where I want to go. So life coaching is the entire compass.